Okay, so how do I not make this sound like an infomercial? Hi, I'm Yaku, and if you drive, chances are you've spent way too much time, just like me, stuck in your car, looking for a parking spot. Okay, so I came up with an idea. Parkly. It lets you book someone's private driveways in real time, and you only pay for the minutes that you park. So there's no more wasting money on full hour rates when you only need a few minutes, 10 minutes, doesn't matter. So think Uber meets Airbnb, but for parking. Okay, so let me tell you how this works. You enter an area where the parking sucks. You look on the app and say, oh, there are a couple of spaces available. The app's GPS takes you to the spot, you park your car and off you go. When you return, you only pay for what you've used. And all of this happens in real time, similar to booking an Uber. And here's the best part. It's not just for drivers. So property owners can earn a passive income by renting out unused space, similar to Airbnb. Not just driveways, but even yards or open areas where cars can safely park. Some could even house multiple drivers at once. So we are currently gearing up to launch a crowdfunding campaign, but for now we're just testing the waters to see who's interested. If you think this is a good idea and something the world needs, please join the waitlist on Indiegogo. It's not going to cost you anything, and you can get the full details of Parkly there. So the link is in my bio. I thank you for listening, and here's a pro tip. When you park your car, make sure it's not under a tree. Otherwise, birds will crap on your car. See what I mean?